program of Caritas Philippines by the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines.
AMBS Channel 2. Now signing on.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.